Hello, welcome to SANHINDA bookshop management system, which keeps book information, records sales information, generates sales reports, shows book information through search functions, and alerts about low book stock levels. Manager and user who views reports and book information are the two main users of the system. So let's look at the manager and see what he can do with the system. As this is not a commercial application which is viewed in public, we have used simple color combinations to design the interface. Through the whole system, our aim was to keep the interfaces clear and simple to the user. Even though we have used some picture thumbnails and some color buttons in accurate places to gain the traction. In this window, you can see the window is divided into different sections for different activities. So the manager can clearly and simply go to the activity he wants to do. So mainly there are 6 sections: suppliers, reports, books, payables and receivables, employees, and sales. So let's do some activity and see how it works. As the first activity, I'm adding an employee's details to the system. By clicking Add Profile button, you can see a simple model window will appear. User have to fill all the fields in the form. In the birthday field, user can either simply type the birthday or he can click the calendar and choose the birthday he wants. In the position field, user can select the option he needs. If the user wants to upload a photo, simply clicking the choose file button, he can select a photo and upload to the system. After filling all the fields, he can simply save the information. You can see a simple success message will appear in here to inform the user that the data successfully entered to the database. We use green color messages to imply that the data entry was successful, and if data is not correctly inserted, a red color message will appear with the reason why it is not entered to the database. Manager can view all the employee details by clicking Employee Details button. This table shows all the details of employees. If he wants to update some employees' detail, he can simply click the Update button and go to that employee's detail form, and he can edit the details here. Then he can simply submit it. And also, he can blacklist an employee from the system by simply clicking Delete button. But a simple message will appear whether to make sure that he clicked the delete button accidentally or intentionally. If he wants to delete the employee, he can simply click OK. Then the success message will appear that the staff member blacklisted. In this section, user can add book details to the database. By simply clicking Add Book button, he can enter the book details and save into the database. But if the user misses a field, a simple message will appear to inform the user to fill the field. And also, if the user enters unmatched data into fields, that also indicated by simple messages. And in this section, User can add sales and view sales. So let's make a sale and see how it works. Here, the date and invoice numbers are automatically generated. User have to enter the customer manually. Then he want to enter the ISBN numbers of the books. Either he can enter the ISBN number by typing, or he can enter by using a barcode reader. After entering the ISBN number, the book information will automatically display in the below chart. He can change the quantities of the book, and you can see the total of the books changes according to that. And also he can change the discount of the books. So also the total will change according to that. After completing the sale information, he can process the sale and complete the sale. In the top of the window, you can see a navigation bar is provided to shift easily from one activity to another without going to the home page. Using the navigation bar, you can shift activities quickly. If the manager wants to view business reports and print them, he can click the monthly reports button and choose a time period and click the submit button. So the summary of the total publication sales, publication purchases, total receivables and total payables are displayed in a table below. If you want to print this report, he can simply click print button, and he can print the document through the HTML print function without converting them to PDF and then printing it. So let's log out from the manager and log in as another user. This interface is provided to users who uses the system to see the summary of the business by viewing information. So the interface is simplified than the manager's activities. If the user wants to search available books, he can click Book Details button. In the book information interface, user have many options to find a book. He can list all the books available, or he can search a part of the book in the search field. Or he can choose a category of a book and search books. So these are the main interfaces of SANHINDA bookshop management system. Thanks for watching.